Hey guys, what's up? My name is Xiao. Thank you for clicking on this video for my art video. Usually I do art videos, but today I'm going to be doing a quick hack video because I wasn't able to was busy camping with my parents. If you wanted to see a video on that, let me know down below in the comments. Alright, here we go. Alright, what you will need will be a plastic tub, some cardboard boxes, and then some shoes for the shoe hack. I'm going to start putting this big one right here. And putting the cardboard boxes together. Yeah, this one was like this. Alright, and then we're putting the shoes back together. Putting it where it's going to go. This one right here. Shoes. These ones my mom just got me this past weekend. They're really cool. I like all the vibrant colors. This one's gonna go down here. These sandals. Right there. Pop-Tart container, box cardboard. Loafers. I'm gonna put right here. My flats. Put like that. This way. And then my house slippers. I just connect it like this. And my work shoes, like this. This is gonna go like this. Husband's work shoes are really nice shoes that she hardly wears. My husband's Adidas. Alright, there you have it. You got a really easy DIY shoe hack that doesn't require any glue, anything to hold it down. You can just stack it on top with the cardboard. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.